Sorry, bud. I know. I had to.
Yeah.
So, it's your boy 392 Brown Bear met up with M Forte and don't know Jeff's name.
DC4 Jeff.
Tell everybody.
I think his YouTube is Jeff Evo X, and then obviously mine, M Forte, and yeah. So
Boy 392 Brown Bear. We out here. It decided to finally snow out here in Georgia. Well, we call it a slushy, but you know, so don't clown us. Hey, make sure y'all pray for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this car right quick. You gotta make sure I get down.
yeah.
See what Jeff gonna talk about. We've been waiting all year for this kind of weather, y'all. My boy, the Incredible Joe, couldn't make it to this side of town because he is still on his drag radios, and this no-go weather for it. Here we go. He ain't saying nothing. F.O.T. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Try to see what this Evo gonna do out here, man. Yeah.
Is that good enough?
Hell yeah. Let me get one more. I need you to see how I walked around.
Yeah.
Get that bottom view, get the top view, do all that. Alright, bet.
Let me let it. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit first.
Alright. Mine's cool down. He gonna do something or what? Oh, I was about to be out. Come on, man. You scared about the bumper? Man, let me drive it. There you go. I said all-wheel drive with the next.
best life. Spraying water and ice into my face.
I'm getting tires tomorrow. Oh man, you don't know how to swing. Oh man. Bumper. The bumper. All right, y'all, so we just got done having a little bit of fun out here in snowy Mexico. In El Paso. I guess some of y'all didn't know that it did snow in El Paso, you know what I'm saying? So this guy wrecked the Evo. All right, man, I wish my boy the Incredible Joe was here, but on the side of Mexico that he's on, it's quite a ride just to get to where we at, and the roads are not friendly to him on the tires that he has on the car right now. But other than that, man, it's a quick little video, man. Just out here having some fun. Like I said, we've been waiting for this kind of weather all year long, all season long, because winter has its own season, hot and cold, and in Georgia, that is.
Still more. Like, bro, I'm gonna keep backing up, and I'll keep taking it. Just back up a little.
So what we got going on here?
Cheap ass car, maybe cheap ass clips.
The zip ties are our friends. God, dog.
Yeah, there's snow caked to the frame of the car.
Oh yeah, it'll melt.
Not tonight. It's supposed to be freezing.
Oh shit. Bro, no fucking wonder this shit out here. What do you mean? Look at that big ass snowball you got.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
You can see it from right here really well. Snowball.
Coming out? No, keep going.
There you go. Yeah. Just put your hand underneath. There you go. Sheesh.
Bro, that's not even a snowball. That's like damn near a glacier. Look how much this shit weighs. Move it with your foot. Just feel the weight with your foot. Trying to play some soccer?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, in the J's.
Soccer, boy. Let me get that. Alright. Shit. Slushy soccer, bro. What?
Come on. Hey.
Alright, you want to play that?
All right, here we go. Oh, these boys wild.
This shit like a pillow. Huh? This shit a pillow.
Oh, this is.
Yo, that one would have hurt, man. I can't feel my toes.
Hey, somebody killing me here. All right, y'all, just got home from having a little bit of fun out there with the boys, M Forte and Jeff's. I don't know Jeff's channel name by heart, but I will put it in the description. Jeff wrecked the Evo. Nothing major. Front bumper, side skirt, stuff that could be easily fixed. A couple zip ties and some clips. But hey man, listen. March 6th, Atlanta Dragway. We're throwing the meet and greet. Me, the Incredible Joe, and Mr. Who Dat 1320. Y'all come on out there and see us, man. 6 o'clock, the gate opens. At 6 o'clock, the gates are opening. We will be there. Oh, it's cold out here. Man, y'all look at this, man. We've been waiting on this. Been waiting on it. Beautiful. And I'm from Miami, man, so we don't, snow to me, I done got used to it because I've been in Georgia so long. But other than that, it's pretty, man. So, but yeah, back to what I was saying. So March 6th, the gates are opening. We will be parking, well, we don't know where we're gonna park at, but I was talking to the Incredible Joe the other night, so we'll let you guys know where to find us at once y'all get to the track. May or may not have a surprise for y'all, man. Y'all know y'all probably might be, I know y'all will be happy for me with the surprise I got. Some of y'all may know, some of y'all may not know. I'll go ahead and tell you. Betty White may or may not be there at Commerce Dragway, Atlanta Dragway. But we'll see. We'll see. So if she is there, she will be on the tire. I can't have y'all boys running off on me like that on the drag strip. So I'm saying, like, hopefully I got a lot of DMs from a lot of my subscribers, a lot of you guys. The ones that can't make it, hey, appreciate y'all for hitting me up on the DM, let me know, have a good time, catch you on the next one. And it's not gonna be the first meet and greet, you know what I'm saying? Me, the Incredible Joe, Mr. Who Dat 1320 plan on going out to different cities, you know what I'm saying? We're not gonna just base it off of just being here in Georgia. So, yeah, so, but other than that, man, y'all continue grinding with us, man. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. You know, our channels wouldn't be where they at right now if it wasn't for y'all. I know they're not the biggest, but we doing our thing, you know what I'm saying? So we try to keep the content flowing. We try to keep the content, like, action-packed, but y'all know us. If y'all been rocking with us this long now, y'all know us. It's always gonna be something silly going on the channel. You know what I'm saying? On any of our channels. We always clowning each other. Me cutting the light on Corey while we doing like little road trips because he's so black. You know what I'm saying? Got to turn the light on Corey. Pranking the Incredible Joe, making him think something wrong with his car. Hey, but y'all, listen, y'all. I ain't gonna say nothing right now. Let me talk to Joe about what me and him been planning. And y'all will see what I'm talking about. Why I just laughed the way I did when I just thought about that. But other than that, man, y'all keep rocking with us. We appreciate y'all. And I'm out.